Hello everyone, and welcome to what is quite possibly my final video of 2024, and that is going to be my luxury sale finds. And I'm so excited to be filming this video because I have found some amazing things this year on the sale. There's still a few things that are kind of rattling around in my head, but with Christmas coming, I've tried to be very practical in not overspending this sale season, which can be so easy to do. When it comes to luxury and designer sale, you've got a couple of different ways to go about getting them new from a store. You have outlet things like Saks Off Fifth and Nordstrom Rack. I have an unboxing coming from one of those. You have the department stores, and the best way to shop their sales is by following great sales associates. I have the ones that I work with linked down below, and they're going to be posting constantly all sorts of different things from all sorts of different brands on sale. These are going to be big time luxury brands: Louboutin, Fendi, Valentino, Alexander McQueen, Tom Ford, Balmain, YSL. You've got a ton of different options to choose from. Then you have the stores who do private sales for their VIP clients. And that's going to be, YSL has a private sale for their VIP clients. It's sort of their last chance to sell things before they head to the outlets. Chanel still, I believe, does a VIP sale for their clients. Ferrari does a VIP sale as well. And there's also an item that is coming from that category of things. So I have 3 luxury items to unbox for you guys today, and I'm going to start with the one that was a total and complete shocker. Now, if you were with me last year and watched my best purchases of 2023, I had my black C by Chloe Chelsea boots. I love those boots. I've worn them all throughout New York, all throughout Boston, shopping in Nashville. I wear them all the time. They're probably my most worn boots. So when I walked into Nordstrom Rack in Nashville the other day, and I saw these, and I didn't just see them there, but I saw them on even further clearance there was no question in my mind they were coming home with me. It is the tan version of my C by Chloe Chelsea boots. So this is just something that I stumbled across. I wasn't looking for these. I was just walking down the aisle to kill some time, and here they were, and I happened to have my black Chelsea boots on at the time. And so I saw these and I said, absolutely, these are 100% coming home with me. I didn't even look at the price, which I should have, but I didn't even look at the price until I was about to check out. And I saw that these were not the $300 price that I had paid when I got mine on clearance last year. These were on clearance from that. These were marked down to $124. There's nothing wrong with them. I have already worn them a couple of times because I was so excited to get these in this tan colorway, and I absolutely love them. I really like Chloe shoes, and yes, these are C by Chloe and not Chloe, but honestly, the C by Chloe and the Chloe shoes are really, really comfortable and really, really fantastic. I would definitely recommend looking into them, and particularly that I got $650 boots for $120. I was super stoked. Now, the second one that I'm going to do, I found off of Instagram from one of my sales associates. This is a pair of shoes that when I say I've been looking at it for a year and a half, I've been waiting for it to go on sale for a year and a half, because as soon as I saw it, in the back of my head, I was thinking, yeah, that kind of needs to be my shoe. And it comes in this red box from Neiman Marcus, and I think it's a Neiman Marcus exclusive because I've never seen it anywhere else. But one of the things that I said that I wanted this year was a pair of black flat sandals, and I wanted them to be, I could wear them casual, I could wear them dressy if I needed to. And I'd seen this Valentino shoe. So every other shoe I was comparing in my head, I was comparing to this specific Valentino. This is not the traditional Valentino rock stud sandal, because that one has gold studs on it. And while I have no problem mixing metals, I am a David Yurman girl through and through, I didn't want metal studs on my shoes because a lot of times I like to go super casual and wear very minimum jewelry in the summer. So I didn't want there to be more jewelry on my shoes than there was on me. And so when I saw these on sale, I didn't even hesitate for a second. They are Valentino rock stud sandals, black flat leather with black studs. So these are essentially so black Valentino rock stud shoes. I'm so excited about these. They've done these in a while in like a patiny sort of plasticky feeling leather. I did not want those. I wanted flat black leather with black studs, and they made them and they went on sale. And so I was so excited to get these. These were either 30 or 40% off. I got them for like $500, which I recognize is expensive. But when we are talking about luxury shoes, getting a pair of luxury sandals like these for $500, that is a very classic style to Valentino and not in a weird color, in a very wearable, natural color, is so, so exciting to me. At the time that I'm filming this, there is still a 36.5 available from Chase at Neiman Marcus. I will link his Instagram down below so that you can message him. But for sizing, I followed Meredith from Living Lux with Meredith's advice and Dale from Dale's Addictions advice, and I sized up. Normally I wear a 36.5 or a 37. In these, I went with a 37.5 because it gives me enough room that they are not going to slide off my foot. They're not flopping around, but if my foot swells in the summer, there's still plenty of room to leave these comfortable. And so I was so thrilled to get to add these. This is also my first time having a Valentino piece. My husband actually has a Valentino scarf that for years he had no idea was a luxury brand scarf. His grandmother had given it to him one year for Christmas when she'd come back from Italy. And so he'd sort of just worn it as like a knock around type of scarf. He affectionately started referring to it as his beater scarf. And when I saw it was Valentino, I nearly had a heart attack that he thought this, and so now he takes a lot more care of it. But now we each have a Valentino item in our luxury collection. And then the final item that I got from the sale is coming from my husband, and this is from one of the private sales at one of the actual physical luxury branded stores. And that is from one of our favorite brands, Saint Laurent. And this is actually something that my husband had a different version of, and when he saw this version on 50% off, decided that yep, he needed to own these. And so what Blake picked up from the luxury sale is the men's Wyatt Chelsea boot in this gorgeous cinnamon brown color. And so this boot is it's got chocolate brown sole to it. It has a zipper on the inside, so super easy to get on. Blake is typically a size 10 in the US, and he is wearing a size 42 in these boots. He can wear a 42 or a 42.5, depending on how thick of a sock he wants to wear. But these are really, really beautiful boots. That being said, we had gotten them to wear for him with like a very specific pair of pants, and with Blake's skin tone and with the pants, we ended up feeling that these boots go a little bit too light. He actually needed really a darker color with those pants. So we are considering selling these on in the new year. So if you would be a size 42 in shoes, let me know if you are interested in purchasing these, because like I said, we got them at 50% off, so we got them at a really good deal and would sell them on to you at the price that we got them. So he was really excited about these. He tried them on with the pants. They didn't quite look right with the pants, but he may still keep them anyway because they are a really beautiful pair of boots, and he really, really loves his black Wyatts that he already has and wears a lot. And this will probably be my final video of 2024. I may film a what I got for Christmas if that is not already up. But if I don't talk to you guys before the end of the year, I hope that you've had a wonderful holiday season and that you have a great start to 2025. Bye everyone.